So now we'll move on to the second article of today's editorial analysis, that is appropriate strategy. So this one is a little bit interesting for us. So not that interesting and not that boring. It's about the ban of PUBG. So it indicates it's a ban of PUBG, but the article doesn't say totally about the ban of PUBG. It just says how India is dealing with the fall in economy of China. Okay, we'll move on. Whatever the threat from Chinese apps, India needs a better approach to tech regulation. Whatever the threat, whatever there will be the conditions of China, like what is it threat, whatever may be from the Chinese apps, India must need, like it correctly says that how many of Chinese apps are blocked. Though you block many apps, you should India must get a better approach to tech regulations. Okay, this is exact meaning. The blocking of 100 more Chinese mobile applications suggests that the Indian government, not for the first time in recent months, wants to make it amply clear that it will not shy away from the leveraging its positions as a massive market for technology in dealing with potential dangerous geopolitical issues. Okay, what is amply? Means abundant. Abundantly clear that it will not shy away from its leveraging its position. Leveraging is nothing but use borrowed capital for an investment. Use something to maximum advantage. For example, we can crimp a market advantage by leveraging a network of partners. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. So, what I remember amply, enough or more than enough, plentiful. Your time and effort on this project will be amply rewarded. Okay. And the next one is, since June, when border tensions between India and China turned ugly. Yes, why? Because just after this pandemic, there are many conflicts with China from India. Not only India and China conflicts, but with other countries also. Many conflicts are going with China. Because it not maybe the reason why. There will be some reasons, but this this pandemic also gave some extra reasons of the conflicts between different countries with China and other country, whether it may be India or America, anything else. Border tensions between India and China turned ugly. The government has till now stepped in thrice to block. Our Indian government has stepped till now 3 times to block the Chinese apps. Chinese applications in one go. In the latest such decision on Wednesday, it blocked 118 apps, not in different ways, like not in different times. Everything in one go. On Wednesday, it blocked 118 apps. Okay, what happened is whenever TikTok was blocked in India, it affected economy, but not that much. It's a 0.1% for them in their economy. So, but the blocking of PUBG, the breakdown economy was in billions and billions. Okay, including the widely popular gaming app PUBG, as well as WeChat Work and Bait, owing to these being prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state, and public order. Okay, owing. What remember owing? Like yet to be paid, unpaid, payable, due, because of. Okay, the concert has been cancelled owing to lack of interest. And what is remember prejudicing? Make biased, influence, sway, cause harm, damage. His comments may have prejudiced the voters against her. The decision has been taken biased. Okay. Where are we? Over 200 Chinese apps, which were accessed by millions of Indian users, have been blocked in all till date. The decision has been taken based on several complaints. A press release said of these apps stealing and surreptitiously is nothing but secretively. Joe surreptitiously had a look into answer book. Surreptitiously transmitting users data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside India. It could be argued that loss of access to the Indian market will sharply affect the ambitions of the internet chains emerging from China. But it remains to be seen if this tech side intervention is effective as a counter in a geopolitical fight. Also, how far can India go to keep the Chinese players who are well entrenched in the global tech supply chain of the Indian market without prejudicing its own growth? Entrenched is nothing but firmly established and unlikely to change or ingrained. The organization was often criticized for being too entrenched in its views. Okay, it is difficult to argue against decisions that are taken on the plank of national security, especially one arrived by invoking. Invoking is a call on a deity. So you do prayers, right? You can say this one, invoking to call a deity or spirit, appeal to beseech. So like beg, beseech is not beg. Oh God, please, please, please. You see that is nothing but beseech. Their sacred dance is performed to invoke ancient goods. Okay. Invoking the government's power under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, a section upheld by the court previously. But it would be well argued that the Indian approach should have followed due process where the focus was on ensuring compliance. Compliance is nothing but like ensuring obeying their order, agreeing with the law. Instead, the Indian response to complaints has been to straight away block these apps en masse. Meanwhile, millions of Indians who were engaging with these platforms some gainfully have to scramble for alternatives to add this. The data protection law, a dire need in these age, is not yet there. All this does not bode well for a country with aspirations of global leadership of tech, an industry which thrives on global networks and rules, which thrives, prosper, flourish, to grow, to develop. His business thrived in the years before the war. Ironically, China, which for years has unleashed widespread censorship of information and kept apps from outside of its internet, has found a rare chance to take the moral high ground. It has criticized India's move, accusing it of abusing the concept of national security. The last thing India needs is to be compared with China as far as its internet regulation goes. It certainly needs a more considered approach to tech regulations. Okay, this is all about it is what India has done to break down the Chinese economy, and also what we must improve in tech regulations. This is all about that, and the tone of the article is totally informative. Okay, and I hope that every one of you have understood this article, and thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you very much.